All right, these are the Fliwos men's stretch pants. I got these in black. These are the classic fit, the flat front pants. And I got these in size 40 by 32. So the company sent me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. And I just wanted to show you how they arrive. I mean, look at that. Super nice packaging right here. I've already got the grays out. I've been wearing those. And these are the black. So let's take a look. I mean, how nice is this, huh? And pull them out. Look at that. Very sharp. It's a little bit of wrinkling in here from, transportation, but I'm obviously going to wash these first. But when you do wash these, make sure you wash them in cold water and hang them to dry. So these pants are made from a high-performance elastic fabric. They are soft, very soft. They are durable. I wear them to golf, and they're super comfortable. And they're perfect for all kinds of occasions. The company says that they use an innovative knitting technology and upgraded thread counts. We're looking at 15% spandex, plus 35% thread counts, and plus 35% stretch fabric. All I know is that they stretch about 3 inches on the waist here, and they are really comfortable to wear. Getting a little bit older, and I'm built for comfort these days. They have a waistband curtain on here for a tailored look, and you can obviously wear a belt with this. They have a button at the top right here, and they have a zip fly. And pretty deep front pockets on here. Not super deep, but deep enough. And they are breathable material. And you can see they have the double welt button pockets on the back. You can see the cut on here. I mean, these things are super comfortable. I'm sitting in a chair position, and the legs pull up and everything. It just feels almost like I'm wearing pajamas. And these things are super, super flexible. Absolutely no problem at all. Getting these things stretched out. You don't have to worry about the crotch ripping out of them. So they come in black, blue, or gray. And they have a ton of sizes to choose from. Mine are a 40-inch waist and a 32-inch length. I'm 6'2", and I weigh 245 pounds right now. I got these for 3 reasons. 1, to wear them to work. 2, to wear them to my weekly golf league. And 3, to wear them on stage when I play in my band. These would be great for any occasion, really, in my opinion. I would wear these to a wedding. Definitely to work. Great as suit pants. They're perfect for the golf course and perfect for any time that you're moving around a lot. I love them. They feel great.